The last feature we should add to this app is probably the most important feature, a call to action, a button to purchase a deal. We can do that either through the App Store itself or with a simple web checkout. Payments made through the app stores have some significant fees, and since this is a pay-for-good system, we'll just simply take the user to the web checkout screen. The API for every deal actually has a URL that we can use. This is the same deal page, but on the main website, and that page has a checkout button. So all we need to do is just include a button that takes the user to this URL. We can use the linking library that comes with React Native to do so. This library can actually be used for both incoming and outgoing app links, but we need it for just an outgoing link. The syntax is simple. We just need to call the OpenURL API method. Let's do that. I'll include the button to buy a deal right here under the description. So we need the button component from React Native. And in the render method of this component, right under the description, let's include the button. So button, we'll go with title is buy this deal. And this button needs an onPress event. Let's create a new function here to buy the deal. I'll call it OpenDealURL. OpenDealURL is a function, doesn't receive any arguments, and it will simply call the linking library, which we need to import from React Native as well. So let's do that. And what we need to do on linking is to just open URL, just like that. And the URL that I am interested in opening is the URL attribute that we have on the deal that we have on the state. So basically this .state.deal.url, just like that. And I think we can test all this. We have a buy this deal button. And when we click on this button, the user will be taken to the main Bake Sale for Good website, and they can check out this deal from here. So I think we have added enough features for this app. I think it's in a good shape to be deployed to the App Store. So in the next chapter, we are going to do exactly that. But before we do that, we should double check on our Android application and see if any styles need any modification and see if all the features are working for Android as well. So in the next chapter, we'll check the Android version of this application, and then we'll go ahead and deploy this application on both the App Store and the Play Store.